it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have been trying some products from 310 for a few weeks now. I just want to give you my honest review, and I'm going to show you how I prepared some of the products. So 310 reached out to me to provide these products to me. I know 310 is a company that can help you lose weight. My intentions with 310 was not to lose weight, more so to maintain. I have been getting back into my healthcare as far as working out, so 310 products definitely help when I'm working out, when I want a meal replacement, or when I want to drink some electrolytes. So go ahead and watch my clips showing you exactly how I prepared some of 310 shakes and drinks, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, got my package. So this is from company 310. It is a weight loss or a healthy plan, however you want to take it. So you want a fresh start, get the most out of your starter kit. And it just talks about, you know, the company and things of that nature. So my purpose is, well, they reached out to me, but anyway. So my purpose for accepting the products is I do want a healthier lifestyle, even though I eat pretty healthy, but you always could be healthier. And also, I was talking to my homegirl, hey Keela, I was talking to her, and she was like, well, you don't look like you need to lose no weight, but I know how to dress for my body type. Like, my stomach is huge. If I don't want to show nobody, because that's how big it is. I ain't gonna say I'm insecure, but I know I don't like it, so therefore I'm gonna show you. So I know how to dress for my body type. It doesn't look like I have a big stomach, but yeah, my stomach is bigger than it has been my whole entire life. So I'm trying to get that back together, along with losing a couple pounds, because I'm a tall girl too. I'm 5'8", so it don't show on me like it would for somebody shorter, but I have gained some weight over the last couple years, especially this last year, quarantine and everything. So they have a vitamin C powder, which this is similar to like the emergency packs, but this is more healthier. They have some powdered peanut butter, which I love putting peanut butter in my smoothies, so I'm going to use that. They gave me 2 of their cups, 310 cups, shakers, so I can make my drinks on the go. This is their Beauty Meltdown. This is a supplement. What is this? Some powder collagen peptides. And this is a meal replacement shake, organic and vegan. I'm gonna try this probably not tomorrow, because when I go to work, I'm not making nothing to eat in the morning. I just eat some fruit or breakfast biscuit. So I'll try that probably Saturday. Another 310 cup. And these packs, and here are, these are their hydrated packs, so you can mix it with water. So I can put water, put it in one of the shakers, shake it up, and keep it moving. They gave me peach mango, lemon lime, and strawberry. And here goes some more meal replacements. These are, so what kind is this? This is cookies and cream. The big one is cookies and cream. The smaller one is chocolate, toasted coconut. I love coconuts. Vanilla, and salted caramel. So that's everything that came in my kit. And 310, thank you so much for providing me with your starter kit. I will be starting everything, yeah, tomorrow, which is Friday or Saturday, probably Saturday. So thank you so much, 310. I will be starting everything Saturday. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Today it's a little late, it's 2:30, but I didn't eat anything. I don't know why, I just wasn't in a eating mood, but I'm getting ready to make me my meal replacement shake from 310. So I'm going to make their cookies and cream shake. I had one of these the other day, it was so freaking good. And I'm going to add the collagen peptide. It's unflavored, grass-fed. And I'm going to add some almond milk, plain almond milk. I already have a cup poured right here, and then a frozen banana. So yeah, just watch me make my meal replacement smoothie. And I made one the other day, being silly. It was on a weekend, and it was Saturday. I made one. And usually on Saturdays, my boyfriend and I, we'll go to Dunkin' Donuts and get something to drink from there, eat and drink. So I got a caramel latte from Dunkin' Donuts, and I took a sip, and I'm like, I don't want this, I'm full. Forgot that I had the meal replacement smoothie, so it really did hold my appetite. So, all right, y'all. Enough talking, let's watch me make this. This tastes so good. It's gonna keep me full till dinner time. Last couple days, I haven't been feeling like myself 100%. Feeling a little stuffy and sick, so I've been taking my 310 vitamin C. So this is a vitamin C powder. So you take a scoop of this with some water, mix it together, and it's like the emergency packs, but it's supposed to be better and more natural. So I'm gonna take some of this too, even though it's at night. It tastes pretty good. It doesn't taste as bad at all. So as you saw in the different clips, I have been using 310 for over a couple weeks, and my honest opinion, I like it. The drinks and the shakes and everything tastes really good. The shakes are definitely filling, in my opinion. I definitely was drinking those for a meal replacement, and I'm quite sure if I would have stuck with 310 breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I probably would have lost some weight. But like I told you in the beginning of the video, that was not my purpose of using 310. So I was just using it for like a lunch meal replacement or a breakfast meal replacement, things of that nature. I do like their products. I would definitely recommend for you to use those products. You hear that bell in the background? That's my cat. He always got to make his appearance. Nino, if you are interested in trying 310's product, I'll leave the link to their website down below in the description box. Again, thank you 310 for providing me with the products. Have you tried 310 products, or have you tried any weight loss meal replacements? Let me know how they work for you, especially now that we're around the holidays. I know for myself, the winter time, I love some nice comforting food, so I always pack on at least 10 extra pounds in the winter. So 310 meal plans will definitely help you get rid of those extra 10-15 holiday pounds when you're ready. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.